Alright guys, this is Venom Nightmare, and I will try to disassemble and assemble it just by hand. So, first thing you want to do, as you can see, these things are not exactly bolts or something. You need to lift this thing. It's a little bit hard, but you can do it. And then those things just fall, because they are held by those areas here, and it just goes out. So those are out of the equation. Now we just go here and lift part of this pivot. All right, and then we just unscrew it. Easy, because it's lifted, and we can unscrew it easily. There is another Venom, I think Venom, not the witch doctor, but not the bone doctor, but I'm not sure how it was called, but it has the same pivot like this. And then we just disassemble the knife. Yeah, we can completely disassemble it, although it's not needed complete disassembly, because as you can see already, we can clean it, we can do whatever it's necessary, and then we can put it back together. Let's see how we can do this. This is also removable, this part here, but yeah, if I remove it now, I probably will not be able to put it back easily. And now I'm just putting this here. Let me see. All right, easy. Now it's done. Now I will put the pivot back, or at least try to, but I will be able to, because I already did that a couple of times and it's working flawlessly. So should work now, right? Of course. Now I'm just, tighten it a little bit, the pivot here. Then this area, I may close the knife. It's not necessary to be open. I will put those inside like this, and then I will just adjust them a little bit and push this very hard, and now the knife is completely good as new. Let's see. Oops, I pushed the camera. So if there is a little play, there is not any play, and it's flipping crazily good, and it's pretty amazing knife though. Yeah, M39 steel with the carbon inserts is just cool, Yeah, this is it. I just wanted to show you. Let's show this knife compared to other knives. I'm not prepared for this, but yeah, this is the Benchmade Tagedout knife, which is extremely light and extremely slicey knife. It's so thin. Let's compare it. Just no comparison. I mean, Tagedout is just the knife to have, in my opinion. If for light tasks, for just slicing bread or salami or whatever, this is your knife, and it's so light. And now there will be coming a version of carbon fiber, which will be amazing. But this one, we're talking about Venom Nightmare, disassembling and assembling only with hands, without any tools. Very, very cool. This is also removable, by the way, which is interesting. The metal insert here, which is for the frame lock, is also removable without any tools. You have to just disassemble it and then push it a little bit forward and then get it out. It's very easy. I don't know why, but yeah, it's cool. Bye.